Hi dear friend, this is our high quality A leather stripper buckle, which is for the back belt. For example, put this belt inside. So very important things that we must do the plating very well. Otherwise, after some time wearing, the color will be gone. This is made by zinc. This part totally made by zinc because you cannot see any closing position from this part. So it's made by totally zinc. We use the 88 tons machine to make these parts in order to there is not any bubble after plating. So you cannot find any bubble on the surface. And we use the totally new zinc to make these parts instead of the recycled zinc. And we use the hand polishing and the hanging plating for do the plating very shining. If you need to get more color for this part, you can send email to us. Thank you.